Stop working for money, right now. That felt uncomfortable to hear, didn't it? Good, because your poor dad just told you to close this video, but your rich dad is about to make you a millionaire. Let me prove it in 3 minutes. Meet poor dad, college degree, stable job, pays bills on time. He says, save money, don't be risky. Here is the brutal truth. That safe paycheck, it's an addiction. You trade your time for cash, then spend the cash on things that lose value. A car, an iPhone, takeout. You get a raise, buy a bigger house, and suddenly you are more broke than before. That's the rat race. Poor dad works for the government in taxes, for the bank in debt, and for his boss in time. Now meet rich dad. He didn't finish 4th grade, but he bought the apartments poor dad rents from. Rich dad has one rule. Your house is not an asset. Say that again. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. Poor dad buys a new Tesla. The minute he drives off the lot, minus 15 KO. Rich dad buys a laundromat. Every quarter, that laundromat mails him a check while he sleeps. Most of you are working 40 hours to buy liabilities that impress people you don't even like. Here's the psychology they hide. Why do you really want a raise? Fear. You are terrified of not paying rent, so you work. Then you get the check, and greed kicks in. You see a Rolex. You think, I deserve this. You just trapped yourself. You are a hamster on a wheel. Rich dad's secret. Use fear as fuel. When you're scared, learn. Don't hide in a cubicle. Robert Kiyosaki worked at Xerox for free, not for money, for sales skills. He knew, skills build wealth. A salary builds a cage. You have 2 choices tomorrow. 1, ask for a raise, play it safe, complain about taxes. 2, buy one asset, even a $5 book. Learn about capital gains. Then buy a second asset with the profit from the first. Poor dad says, I can't afford it. Rich dad asks, how can I afford it? One closes a door, the other opens a universe. The richest people on earth don't work for money. Money works for them. Rich dad. Poor dad isn't a book. It's an operating system. Download it. Read chapter 1 tonight. Or keep trading your life for a paycheck. Your call.